Well, hello again. Today we're gonna clean the concrete tiles in the garden. I have bought a high pressure washer to help me. In 2006 I was laying the stones and they were brand new. So let's first go back in time. This is me, some years younger, but yeah, let's go back. Well, you're beginning to see a difference. I think it's going to be great. Looks great. Gives you a lot of dirt to take care of. Look at this. But then you're gonna put in some nice clean sand instead. It's gonna look perfect. Well, now I've washed the tiles or the bricks, or I don't really know what it's called, but I have cleaned them and now we have to put in some sand. So it looks like this. The sand is not all dry, but it will be in the sun. So when it's dry, you just broom the sand around. So, and then it will fill the holes, and then it will be good. It's gonna look nice, very nice. Yeah, and this is what it looks like now. The sand is in place and almost dry. Well, that's it for today. Looks cool. So, see you.